a Facebook hacker once said, "Send me your number for me to add you to a group." So this is it. So sometimes you receive messages from accounts that you probably know, thinking that the person behind it is the one you know, but that is not the case. Okay, you get people sending you a message that, "Hey, I want to add you to my private Facebook group, so send me your number." You receive a code from Facebook, and you send me back the code for me to add you to a Facebook group. Some too will come telling you that they have a problem with their account and they need you to help them resolve that issue. And in that regard, you have to send them your phone number associated with your Facebook account. You receive a code from Facebook, and have to send it back to them. Blah blah blah. It's total bunch of nonsense. Okay, these are hackers trying to tamper with your Facebook account. So the next twist is that they will send you a link. Sometimes they will tell you it's a promo, then you have to click the link to claim that promotion or benefits. Sometimes they even tell you that they saw you in a video, and that is the link to the video. What is happening behind the scene is that they actually generated that link from maybe a website that spies on your account. Okay, there is a term for it. I think it's phishing or whatever. So that what happens is that they generate the link from that website, send it to you. Immediately you click the link, it exposes to them, that is behind the scenes, the login details that you used. So they take over your account immediately you click the link, because they are going to have your details. So they will just log into your account and then change every detail, your password and everything. All right. And what the others are also trying to do, those who request for your number, is that they are behind your account trying their possible best to actually log you out of their account, of your account, or reset your password and then all those things. The best thing to do is, one, if you receive that link, please don't click any link. Two, don't send phone numbers to people on Facebook unless you know that they are you are very sure and the conversation that you're having with them is a legit one. If not, please don't send any number to anybody. In case you do that, please don't send them or don't give them your one-time password. That is the OTP code from Facebook. If you do that, they are going to take over your account. I am going to show you how to actually protect your account from these things, because if you have two-factor authentication activated, that is where you are able to protect your account. So anytime anybody tries to log in into your account, you are able to see, because Facebook is going to send you a prompt with the code to insert it. Right? So let's get into it. So on Facebook, you tap on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu button. And the menu, you tap on the gear icon, right? That is the gear icon here. And under settings, you go to password and security. From here you can see the list of devices that I'm logged in. So you can see I'm logged in into a Techno Spark 5 Pro. That is the current device I am logged into. So you can see active now. And then from a Chrome browser on a Windows PC, that was also 6 hours ago. You can choose to change your password here, but our point of interest is the two-factor authentication bit. Okay, I'll explain the other security options, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to look at the two-factor authentication. So you tap on use two-factor authentication. I will use the text message option. You can use an authentication app, that is the Duo Mobile or the Google Authenticator. Okay, I will also do another video on how to use that one as well. You can also use the security key. For that one, is a physical hardware device that you attach to the phone and then you activate it. You wouldn't need to enter a code when you have the security key attached to the phone. Now let's continue. So here I'll choose the number that I wish to use for my two-factor authentication. So I'll just go ahead and then use the first number and tap on continue. By tapping on continue, Facebook is going to send me a 6-digit code to finish setting up my two-factor authentication. So I'll wait. Sometimes when that is the code, I'll just copy it and then paste it in there. that is basically it. I can choose to get notifications about new messages, posts and other things. That means they are going to send me text message anytime anyone likes my post, sends me a message and all that. But I wouldn't want that one because I have Facebook Messenger installed. Right, so just press done. So that is it. My two-factor authentication is activated. So that's basically it. I activated two-factor authentication on my phone. So anytime anyone tries to log in into my Facebook account from an unrecognized device, Facebook is going to send me a prompt with the code, right? A prompt with the code saying that if I'm the one trying to log in, I should use that authentication code to verify or authenticate the login. But as I said earlier, don't send your phone number associated with your Facebook account to anyone that demands it. Okay, the conversation is always the same. They are either asking for your number and then going for a code, or they will send you a link saying that they've seen you in a video. My name is King Kobe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video or if it helped you a lot. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. So till I come your way with another video, be safe.